Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, July 21. The National Water Commission is encouraging its customers to take up its current amnesty on some overdue bills. For a limited time, people who owe more than $50,000 can have some of it written off.
If they come and pay 40% of what they owe, we'll take off 60%. Can't have it any better. But every month that you wait, 10% is taken off the 60%.
Water Minister Robert Pickersgill was speaking Friday at the groundbreaking ceremony for the $75 million upgrade of the gold mine water supply system in St. Catherine. And as he toured the Santa Cruz pipe-laying project, Minister Pickersgill urged customers in St. Elizabeth to pay their bills. He said $870.2 million was owed on 24,000 accounts in St. Elizabeth alone, making it difficult to provide consistent and reliable service.
I would like to remind you that if each of us pays our water bills, then we could all get a better service and each of us would carry a lighter burden. I ask that you urge your friends and neighbors to pay their bills.
Improvements to the Santa Cruz pipeline will be done in 4 phases, with Phase 1B being done at a cost of $38 million. When completed in December this year, another 23,000 NWC customers in St. Elizabeth will benefit. The Ministry of Agriculture is leading a coordinated effort to help coffee and subsistence farmers in St. Thomas who have been affected by recent bushfires. While touring sections of affected communities recently, Minister Kelly announced a plan to compile a list of farmers. This would help state entities such as the Rural Agricultural Development Authority and the Coffee Industry Board manage the assistance program.
We have committed ourselves to providing the seedlings for the rehabilitation program, the coffee seedlings for the rehabilitation program, and we are going to be sticking by that promise.
In addition, Minister Kelly said there would be a cash component to help farmers whose earnings have been disrupted to meet some of their expenses while they rehabilitate the farms.
No one must be left behind who was a part of the devastation. No one. We want to make sure everybody gets some form of help in whatever shape or form.
Hundreds of acres of farmland in the parish have been damaged by the bushfires in the hills of Blackspur, Mahogany Vale, Hagley Gap and Epping Farm. The Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Ministry has expressed confidence that with major transformation now taking place in the country's energy sector, this will enable it to contribute significantly to economic growth. Portfolio Minister Philip Paulwell said government is implementing several renewable energy projects valued at approximately $236 million. These include the wind energy solution from Wigton Wind Farm Phase 3 project and Blue Mountain Renewables, as well as solar energy from Content Solar and the 380 megawatt electricity generating capacity project.
When you total up all that we're doing in energy, we anticipate that we will see growth in the economy in relation to the contribution of energy.
Minister Paulwell was speaking recently at the commissioning ceremony for an energy-efficient air conditioning system at the Spanish Town Hospital. Montego Bay Mayor Glendon Harris has unveiled a comprehensive development plan for the city as the city approaches its 35th anniversary in October. At a recent JIS think tank, Mayor Harris said the city would be undertaking a number of initiatives to improve the standard of living for its citizens. Among them, the IDB-supported Emerging Sustainable Cities initiative titled One Bay for All. Mayor Harris said Montego Bay was also working with the Korean government on an integrated operation control system under its Smart Cities initiative.
We will be looking at traffic management, crime management, disaster management, among other things to be dealt with.
Another 5 Jamaican teachers are now at the Loma Linda University in California getting training in science, technology, engineering and mathematics, or STEM. The one-week study program, which was launched last year, is an outcome of the 2013 Diaspora Conference. The Ministries of Education, Science, Technology, Energy and Mining, as well as Foreign Affairs, hosted a send-off with the Jamaica Teachers Association.
And I'm delighted that the ministry can provide to each of the individual teachers a tablet computer to assist them in their coursework and to ensure that they are technologically adept as they pursue their STEM subjects.
And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller is on vacation leave starting Tuesday, July 21. Mrs. Simpson-Miller will return to office this Saturday, July 25. In her absence, the Minister of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change, Robert Pickersgill, will be in charge of the government. In the meantime, Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Minister Philip Paulwell will oversee the national security portfolio while Minister Peter Bunting is away on official business. Mr. Bunting is participating in a series of meetings at the Department of Homeland Security in the U.S. capital, Washington, D.C. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.